Hi, hello, namaste everyone. This is Ram and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to do the unboxing of this Zebronics Zeb Wonder Bar. This is a 10 watt USB powered speaker set from Zebronics, and the interesting feature is that you can use this as a 2.0 channel speakers as well as a sound bar. I will show you how to use that. Before that, I have to tell you that this one has several interesting features such as it has RGB lights and it has two aux ports. One is for mic and one is for headphones. So if you are a gamer, these headphones is the best option for you. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that I can post some more interesting videos on this channel. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Well, I received the package in this condition. It looks like the box has been mishandled, but it doesn't matter to us because what matters to us is the speakers. Well, if you see here, the price has been mentioned as 1399 rupees, but I got these speakers at 619 rupees because of the Great Indian Festival going on Amazon. Like I mentioned before, this one is a USB powered speaker and it has a aux port, RGB lights, volume control, 2-in-1 design and earphone compatible. Now let's get on with the unboxing and see the contents inside. Well, it seems both the speakers are attached to itself in a sound bar form. Now let's open the package. And there is nothing else inside the box, not even the user manual. Well, the first impression is that the speaker really looks like a soundbar and it has a very glossy finish up front and it has a very good quality volume switch and you can control the volume levels over here. And as you can see, this one has two aux ports, one is for headphones and the other one is for mic. Well, the front section of the speakers has a pretty modern design and you can also see the setup for RGB lights. And the other speaker has a Zebronics branding. Well, if you are a gamer, you can use both the aux ports for gaming. One is for headphones and one is for mic. Speaking of connectivity ports, this one has two 3.5mm jacks and the other one is a USB for power input. If you don't want to use this speaker as a soundbar, you can easily detach this one like this. And you can use this as a 2.0 channel speaker set. Now let me just test the sound quality of these speakers. First, let me just connect both the speakers and convert into a soundbar. You can power on the speaker using this volume switch. And as you can see, as soon as I switch on the speaker, the RGB lights are glowing. Now let me just connect this speaker to my phone using the 3.5mm jack. Now let me just play some music.
నా స్టోరీ చెప్పలేను, నా బాధ కంతు లేదు, ఈ డాడీలందరూ.
బ్రదర్ ఆపమ్మా, ఈ డిక్చిక్ డిక్చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? అబ్బా, కడుపు నిండిపోయింది బంగారం.
ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో, ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము, అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము.
Now I'll test whether if the mic port is working or not using my voice recorder. Let me just connect my mic to the speaker. Now let's test how it works. hello, 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 hello. So as you can see, the graph is sticking in my voice recorder, so I can say that there is no problem with the mic port and it is working quite fine. Now let's talk about what I really like about these speakers. The first impression is first. The thing is, you can use this speaker as a soundbar like this, or you can use it as a 2.0 channel speaker. The next thing that I like about these speakers is that it's a build quality. The build quality is far better than I expected, and that it has a very glossy finish up front and it looks really good. And it has a control switch over here, and the control switch quality is also very good, and you can operate your volume directly from here. And the next thing that I really like about this speaker is its sound quality. The sound quality of this speaker is very good compared to other speakers in the same price point, because it can handle high tones and mid tones quite well. It can also handle low tones as well, but the bass quality is not as good as I expected. But overall, the sound quality is far better compared to what I expected because of the clarity that these speakers can produce. And the next thing that I really like about these speakers is its wire quality. The wire quality is very good compared to other speakers in the same price point, because it has a very tough wire and it doesn't break easily. And it also has two aux ports over here. This is for the green one is for headphones and the pink one is for mic, as you know. And you have to connect the headphones and mic over here, and you can control the volume levels over here directly. And finally, I have a small advice to you all, that if you are using these speakers, make sure to connect your speakers to a high quality PC or a adapter that is of 10 watts. Because if you connect this speaker to an old model PC or a power adapter that is less than 10 watts, you might experience some kind of a distortion in the sound quality. So that's it guys for today. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.